Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the perfect pumpkin hair look in a Dress to Impress. So it's super easy to replicate and will make your avatar the star of any Halloween party or event on the platform. Now get ready to turn heads with this fiery festive do. And let's just get started. So first you can just click on the Updo hair category, then put on this Updo in here, change the color into orange. You can combine it with some brown if you want to, or white or orange like this. Now click on the bangs category and put on this one. Use the same color combo like this. And last one, you can now put on some accessories. So I'm going to use this treebone as the leaves and change the color to green like this. So now this will be the final look of pumpkin hair in Dress to Impress. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the like button if you love this tutorial, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorial.